Hey there, welcome to the video. We're going to talk about how you can make a passive income of $30,000 a month just using AI bots that outperform the ChatGPT model. Are you tired of working long hours and not seeing the financial results you desire? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to discuss how AI technology can work for you to make money while you sleep. So are you ready to learn about this exciting opportunity? Let's get started. Before we dive into the juicy details, I want to take a quick moment to ask for your support. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you not only motivate us to keep creating more valuable content for you, but you'll also be the first to know when we release our latest tips and tricks on how to make money easily. So, let's get started. The first AI tool that we're going to introduce to you is called Mixo.io. This AI-powered website builder makes it easy for anyone to create a professional-looking website or sales page without any technical knowledge. All you need to do is enter a prompt related to your product, such as lose weight fast with XZY product, and Mixo will generate a custom site or sales page for you based on that prompt. The great thing about Mixo is that you don't need any coding or design skills to use it. Once you've entered your prompt, the AI takes care of the rest, creating a high-quality site or sales page that you can use to promote your affiliate offers or sell your own products. To get started with Mixo.io, simply create an account on their website. Once you've signed up, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can start building your site or sales page. It's really that easy. Now that you have your site or sales page ready, it's time to find an affiliate offer to promote. Warrior Plus is an affiliate network that offers a wide range of digital products, including ebooks, courses, software, and much more. To find an offer that you'd like to promote, browse the marketplace on Warrior Plus and filter the results by category, popularity, or other criteria. When browsing the marketplace, take a look at the product description and sales page to get a better understanding of the offer. Make sure to check out the commission rate offered so that it's worth your time and effort, and read reviews and ratings from other affiliates to see if the offer has a good track record of conversions and payouts. It's important to choose an offer that is relevant to your niche and audience and that you believe will provide value to your followers. Once you've found the offer that you want to promote, grab your unique affiliate link. This link is provided by Warrior Plus and is used to track your sales and commission. To grab your affiliate link, simply click on the Promote button next to the offer you want to promote, and Warrior Plus will generate a unique affiliate link just for you. You can then copy and paste this link wherever you want to promote the product, such as your own website, social media, or email list. Your affiliate link is unique to you, so make sure to use it whenever you promote the product to receive credit for any sales that are generated through your link. Congratulations on creating your site or sales page on Mixo. You've taken the first step towards earning passive income through affiliate marketing. Now, it's time to focus on driving traffic to your page. This is where the real work begins, but don't worry. There are tools and strategies that can help you make this process easier. Social media marketing. Use social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to promote your offer and drive traffic to your site or sales page. Email marketing. Build an email list and send out promotional emails to your subscribers. Paid advertising. Use platforms like Google AdWords, Facebook ads, or Bing ads to advertise your offer and drive traffic to your site or sales page. Now we will introduce to you Devi.com, an AI-powered tool that can help you generate more traffic to your sales page with ease. With Devi.com, you don't need to be a marketing expert or spend hours trying to figure out how to get more people to see your page. All you need to do is enter the URL for your Mixo site, and the tool will do the rest. Using advanced AI algorithms, Devi.com will generate traffic for your page, giving you more exposure and increasing your chances of making sales. The best part? You don't need to do anything else. You can sit back and watch as Devi.com does the heavy lifting for you. Another amazing way to drive traffic to your Mixo site or sales page is by leveraging the power of Facebook groups. With over 2.8 billion monthly active users, Facebook has become one of the most popular social media platforms in the world. By joining relevant groups in your niche, you can tap into a targeted audience that is already interested in the products or services that you are promoting. To get started, search for Facebook groups related to your niche. For example, if you're promoting a weight loss product, you might search for groups related to health or fitness. Before joining, read through the group rules and make sure you understand them. It's also good to take some time to engage with the members, answer questions, share your knowledge, and provide value wherever you can. This will help you establish yourself as an authority in your niche and build trust with the group members. When the time is right, you can share your Mixo sales page link to the group. Make sure to do so in a non-spammy way and give a compelling reason for people to click on the link. Highlight the benefits of the product or offer you're promoting, and be sure to answer any questions that group members may have. Remember, the key to success with Facebook groups is to focus on building relationships and providing value. Don't just spam the group with your link and expect people to buy from you. Take the time to establish yourself as an authority in your niche, and the sales will come naturally. To summarize, remember to start by finding a good affiliate offer from Warrior Plus, grabbing your unique affiliate link, and then creating a site or sales page on Mixo by entering the related prompt. Finally, drive traffic to your Mixo site or sales page using Devi.com and Facebook group. While the potential for passive income with Mixo is certainly exciting, remember that it takes time and effort to succeed in affiliate marketing. Be patient, continue learning, and always be willing to adapt your strategy to stay ahead of the competition. In conclusion, with Mixo's AI-powered platform, it has never been easier to create a professional-looking page that can help drive sales and earn passive income. What do you think of using this method? Let us know in the comments section down below. We love hearing from you guys. And if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel with notifications on for more awesome content like this that will help you make money online. Check out our other videos like these by clicking on the screen.